Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Time. First, you'll want to set up your company account and input essential details. Next, add all your employees to the system, ensuring they are assigned to the correct jobs or projects. Finally, configure your time tracking preferences, such as overtime rules and approval processes, to ensure accurate record keeping from the start. This initial setup is crucial for smooth operation and precise payroll calculations. Once set up, employees can easily track their hours using the QuickBooks Time app on their phones, tablets, or computers. They can clock in and out, take breaks, and switch between different projects or customer jobs with just a few taps. As a manager, you have the ability to review all submitted timesheets, make any necessary edits, and approve them for payroll processing, ensuring everything is accurate before payday. QuickBooks Time helps you manage projects efficiently by allowing you to see exactly how much time is spent on each task. You can monitor project progress in real time and ensure you stay within budget. The system also generates comprehensive reports on labor costs, employee hours, and profitability. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks Payroll, making it simple to process paychecks based on approved timesheets without manual data entry. Beyond basic time tracking, QuickBooks Time offers advanced features like geofencing, which can remind employees to clock in or out when they enter or leave a job site. You also get detailed audit trails, providing a clear record of all time entries and edits for compliance purposes. This ensures transparency and accuracy across your entire workforce. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.